Welcome to our channel. Today we have discussed about advanced accounting MCQ. Holding company account MCQ. Let's start first. At the time of paying intercompany debt and acceptancy are to be cancelled out of A. Merger, B. Absorption, C. Internal reconstruction, D. Consolidation. The answer is option D. Consolidation. Second, intercompany divide are blank to the cost of investment in the subsidiary company for calculating goodwill or capital reserve. A. Added, B. Deducted, C. Removed, D. None of the above. The answer is a B. Deducted. Holding of minority will be blank by the number of bonus received by them. A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. Remain same, D. None of the above. The answer is option A. Increase by the number of bonus received them. Fourth, out of the unrealized profit, a holding company's share is reduced from the stock and profit and loss account. The answer is option A. Fifth, investment made by holding company in subsidiary company are always to be shown in consolidation balance sheet. The answer is option B. 6. If AB Limited buy more than 50% share in CD Limited, then which of the following statement accurately summarize the relationship between these two firms? A. AB Limited subsidiary undertaking of CD. B. CD Limited the parent undertaking. C. AB Limited is a parent taking. D. There is no significant financial relationship between the two. The answer is a relationship. AB Limited parent undertaking. The answer is option C. 7. On the consolidation balance sheet, if the share of the company have been bought for more than balance sheet value, then the difference would be appears as a goodwill. The answer is option A. Pre-acquisition profit in subsidiary company is considered as capital profit. The answer is option B. Next, 9. Profit earned after acquisition of share treated as the revenue profit. The answer is option A. Revenue profit. Profit earned before acquisition of share is treated as capital profit before acquisition. Preparation consolidation statement as per accounting standard 21 is A. Optional, B. Mandatory for all, C. Mandatory for listed company, D. Mandatory for private company. The answer is option C. mandatory for listed company. Face value of debenture of subsidiary company held by holding company is deducted from cost of control. The answer is option B. Minority interests include A. Share in share capital. B. Share in capital profit. C. Share in revenue profit. D. All of the above. The answer is option D. All of the above. 14. Preparation of holding company account deals with accounting standard 21. The answer is option B. 50. The time interval between the date of acquisition if share in subsidiary company and date of balance sheet of holding company is known as A. Pre-acquisition period, B. Post-acquisition period, D. Pre-commencement period. The answer is option B. Pre-acquisition period.